In today's video, you will see what a snow spray looks like in water.
So hey guys, alright guys, as you guys can see, we fill the entire aquarium with water. So we have here two party spray, snow spray. So we are going to see how snow spray looks like in water. So we are going to see in slow motion, ultra slow motion. So let's do it.
So let's see some awesome slow motion shots.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
So alright guys, as you guys saw, that looks amazing, that scene amazing, slow motion amazing. So now we are going to try it at night. We are going to try this thing again at night. So let's see. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Now let's see some amazing slow motion shots.
So alright guys, it seems actually we have a very bad weather on this area, on this my town. So hope you guys like this ultra slow motion, and this is the thing, all this. So this is the video, hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys enjoy this ultra slow motion scene, so please like this video and subscribe to our channel. So this is Lord of Experiment. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and I will catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.